In this video tutorial, I'm in the Teacher Workspace and I'm going to show you how to add a task to your showing evidence space, and then how to set students up as a reminder. Part of your goals for the week are to explore the lessons in your Teacher Workspace, practice assigning students to the task. You might want to add more students because we're actually going to be students in your class, and then you're going to invite us into your workspace. So let's get started in your Teacher Workspace. I've accessed my Teacher Workspace here on the Showing Evidence tool link, which opened up a new tab. I am in my Teacher Workspace at the moment. I'll go back to my project listing so that you can see my workspace. I'm signed in as a teacher, and I'm preparing a lesson to share with the students on showing evidence. The lesson I'm preparing is this one called Laptops in the Classroom. Notice on the left I have no student teams assigned yet, and that's because I'm still editing the lesson. And I'm going to open the lesson back up, and let's take a look at what I've got. Here's my title, Laptops in the Classroom. I'm going to grab this and pull it out so that you can see it. And this would be an example of a lesson that you could either build yourself, such as I did, or you can go grab one from their website and bring it into your workspace. So this just says the laptops are coming. Within the next school year, more students in our district will have more laptops. So the idea behind this one is that they're going to make a claim, gather evidence, and make conclusions as they consider the following question. So here is their prompt they're going to make a claim with. Having student laptops have a positive or a negative impact on student learning. I'm using the standard version of the tool. At this point, because I have not assigned any student teams yet, I can go and click on Change Showing Evidence Labels. I can change it from making a claim to something else. I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to leave it. I'll cancel. And remember, this is the one where students would probably gather evidence only to support their claim. They might not gather evidence to reject their claim. And so as a teacher, I would go in and create some pieces of evidence, such as I did here. So I haven't made a claim. I'm not making a claim for them. I'm simply giving them things to think about. It's noted here with a T. That means the teacher has created this evidence, and I'm going to use my edit tool to open this up. I'll scroll down and take a look at what I've put in here. So this piece of evidence says, schools have collected data and have written books about their success measures to support other districts considering a one-to-one move. My explanation is that Mooresville, North Carolina was one of the first schools in the country to use a systematic approach and then share a model in their book. And then I went to citationmachine.com and I cited my source. So here's my source in here. And then because I'm using the standard use of the tool, this is where the ratings come in that we need to talk about. And I'll address that in another email, or in another video rather, but I'll save my evidence here so that it's not lost. And I'm going to grab this and scroll back up to the top if I can grab it with my, there we go. I'm going to go back to my project listing. At this point, if I'm done manipulating the lesson, completely done, and I'm ready to assign students, I'm going to go back into it, click where it says 0 teams, and I'm going to assign teams. I'm going to go down to my MSU teams, probably already passed them and I just don't see it. Yeah, scrolling way too fast. So I'm going to assign my MSU student teams to this lesson, and then I'm going to scroll to the bottom, assign check teams, done, and when I go back, I've got 5 teams assigned. Okay, that's enough for this video tutorial, and on to the next one after this.